You all must be using Play Store, and whenever you need any game or app, you mostly download it from there. But have you ever thought that you can also create your own Play Store where users can play games online? In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can create a professional app store with the help of AI without any coding knowledge. And the best part is, it's absolutely free. Even if you don't have a good PC or laptop, you can still create this Play Store using just your mobile phone. So if you also want to make your own Play Store, then make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and go to console.firebase.google.com. Here you will find a button, Create a Firebase Project. Click on it. Now first type the name of your project and click on Continue. Here, disable the Gemini option and click on Continue. After that, also disable Google Analytics and click on Create Project. Now your project will start creating, so you have to wait a few seconds. And once it is created, click on Continue. Now on the left side, you will see the Build option. Click on it and then go to Authentication. Here you will find the Get Started button. Click on it. After that, under Native Providers, click on Email Password. Now enable it and click Save. Then go to the Users tab. Here click on Add User. Now enter your email and password and add the user. This email and password will be used for logging into your admin panel. Now again click on Build and then go to Real-Time Database. Here you will find the Create Database button. Click on it. Now click on Next and then select Start in Test Mode and click Enable. After that, click on the Settings button and go to Project Settings. Once you are here, click on the Web button. As soon as you click, you will come here. Now type your app nickname and click on Register App. After that, you will get a code. From that code, select the part I'm showing you and copy it. Now in the video description, you will find the link to the prompt. Open it, go to the last of the prompt and paste this code there. Then copy the entire prompt. Now go to aistudio.google.com and paste the prompt there. After that, click on Run. Now first it will think and then it will write the entire code for you, so you have to wait for a few seconds. And you can see that it has given us the code of admin. Now click on the download button above it and download it. Then go to your downloads folder and rename it to admin. Now again go to AI Studio and also download the code of user.html and rename it as well. Now let's test it. So open both of them in your browser. And you can see that I have opened both user and admin. Now first go to admin and enter your email and password to log in. You can see here some options like pending submissions, published items, and add edit item, from where you can upload any game or app of your choice. And in the user panel, you will also find options like home, user profile, and upload app/game, which means the user can also upload their own game or app. So first, I will show you by creating and uploading a game using the user panel. Now, whenever a user wants to publish their app or game, first they will have to fill the user profile. So I open the user profile and write my name and email here. After that, go to Upload App Game. Here we need to paste the HTML code of our game. So for making a game, I again go to AI Studio and write a prompt for a tic-tac-toe game, and I get the code. Now I copy this code and paste it here. Then we need to write the title of the game, so I write it here. After that, you will get an option for logo URL, which means whenever you or a user upload a game or app, you will need a logo URL. So now we select its type. And now I will also show you how to add a logo. For adding a logo, go to imijabb.com. Here sign up, then click on Start Uploading and upload your logo. Once uploaded, in the embed codes, select HTML full linked. After that, don't copy the first URL. Instead, copy the second one, which is in front of src, and paste it in the game's logo URL section. Now click on Submit for review. And now your app or game has gone for review. So now let's go to the admin panel. Here you can see that the game I submitted for review has arrived here. Now I can either approve or reject it. So I approve it. Now you can see that all its information and code has come here. And now I publish it. Now you can see that it is showing in published items. And if I want, I can also delete it. Now let's go to the user panel. And you can see that the game is showing here with its logo. And the user can also rate it. So now let's play it. And you can see that it is working properly. So we have tested it with the user panel. Now let's test uploading an app using the admin panel. So I again go to AI Studio and create a calculator app. I copy the code and paste it here. And now I write its title here. And again create a logo URL from imagebb.com and paste it. Now you can see that I have written all the details, and now I publish it. And you can see that this app has also been published and is also showing in the user panel. If I open it, it is also working fine. So now we have built our app. Now we also need to create an APK file so that we can install it on our mobile. For that, go to creator.codular.io. Here, create a new project. In the project name, write admin and click on next. Then in the app name, also write admin, or you can write any name if you want. Then write the package name and click on finish. Now your project will be created. First, go to the asset manager and upload your admin.html and its logo. After that, go to settings and under logo and splash image, select your logo, then close it. After that, in screen 1 properties at the bottom, uncheck title visible. Then on the left side, search for web viewer and drag and drop it. Set height and width to fill. Disable zoom display and zoom enabled. After that, in home URL, write this. And at the end, write the name of your admin file with extension. Then go to blocks and select these 2 blocks. After that, click on export and select Android app. Now wait a while and then download its APK. After that, again go to Codular homepage and create a new project. Then in project name, write user and click on next. In the app name, write user or any name you like. Then write the package name and click on finish. Once the project is created, go to Asset Manager and upload the user's HTML file and logo. And make the same settings that we did while making the admin. Just in icon and splash image, select the user's logo. And in home URL, instead of admin.html, write user.html. After doing all settings, export it as well. Now let's test it. I have installed it on my emulator, and you can see that I have signed in here. And the apps and games that we published are also here. Now I can also control them from here. And in the user panel too, all the games and apps are showing and also working. So if you liked the video, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a lovely comment.